ICS, Intermediate Central School, was a renovation project. The original renovation was completed as part of the Winter Games, and that was floors 1 and 300 of the building. And we were brought in to do the rest of the renovation, which was 200, 400, and 500.
One of the challenges that we had here at ICS is the VAVs in regards to the ceiling height in the existing structure. The dirt walls, we wanted to maintain a consistent ceiling height, that way they could be reused for future use. One of the features with the dirt wall partition system is you have to have your finishes in. Flooring, ceiling, wall finishes, it's one of the last things you do in construction.
The Intermediate Central School consists of 2 buildings. One was constructed in 1940, and the second portion was built in 1965. So we were hired by the City of Red Deer to complete the renovation to house 5 city departments. This included HR, finance, services, legal, business excellence, and health and safety communities. One of the challenges we faced was having 5 departments to be housed in this building, and all of the different departments had different needs, requirements of space, and their own wants. So trying to encompass all of that within the building square footage became a challenge, as we could not do an addition and we had to fit everything within the space.
As you can see, this is an existing building, so when it came to demo, the concrete had to go out the window. We had to remove a couple columns, so we kept the open concept design, so the new beams had to be brought into the building through the windows, all while this was an operational facility with the City of Red Deer.
We were involved in both design and construction of this project. We were brought on right from the start. And in design, we brought in our trade partners, especially mechanical and electrical, so they could bring value engineering to the table and we could cost out options so we could present all the options and that would bring the best value to the client. We're really impressed with the Intermediate Central School, and we completed it in a very short time frame. We definitely couldn't have done it without the support of our local trades. We partnered with a lot of local trades on this project, most of whom we work with regularly. We appreciate all the value that they bring to this project. The team effort really shows in the end result and the end product.